Hello, I'm here today to give you a brief walkthrough of some of the new changes that have been done in the classroom by the Learning Environments team, Andy and Paul. And one of the first things you're going to notice that every classroom has a camera in it that's mounted on the back wall. And that camera, I'll show you later just how much space you have to walk in before you walk off frame, but we'll show you that later. The other addition is that there is a ceiling mic in the classroom. And this can capture quite well across the classroom. But just like before in the past, every classroom has this lavalier or clip-on mic, and you should be using that because that's optimal. But if you can't because you have guest speakers or a group of speakers or a group of students, then you can use that. The other new addition is the marker board camera. And this is a camera that you'll select in Zoom while you're transmitting or recording or both. And you can actually write on this board and it will be captured in Zoom. This text stuff here is to show you how much you can write on. This only is on this board. And then the final addition to the renovations has been the addition of a second touchscreen monitor. And this touchscreen monitor, I'll demonstrate that here in a minute. When you go to initiate your Zoom meeting, the very first thing I want you to do is to log into the Zoom application with sign in via SSO, and that's right here in the right. So you're going to select that. And OSU is already here, but if it's not, enter that. And then you're going to hit continue. It's going to launch Carmen Zoom, and it's going to say launch it. And then what you're going to see is this right here, which is going to be advanced features. You'll have a profile feature up here. This will, if you don't do this, you can't do breakout rooms and other advanced features in Zoom. Okay, once you've launched your Zoom meeting, your video is going to be on the screen. It's going to be rather large. And what I wanted to show you is on this screen here, just how far you can walk before you're off screen. I'm just going to walk across the room a little bit and show you that you do have a decent amount of walk room. It's not quite as expansive as you've had in the past. So what you're going to do is watch that. So if you want to draw on that board and you want to transmit it to the students, what you need to do is go down here to where the stop video is, and select this little arrow and select Captivo Whiteboard. So now you're going to see what's on the board. So I'm going to go over and do a little bit of marking so you can watch me draw. And I'm in a blue marker. I've noticed that the darker markers work better. As you can see, it's capturing everything here. So anything, as long as you're within those words there, that'll be marked by the time the classrooms are live in the fall. So you can see how that works. And once you're done with that, you'll just come over here and you're going to want to switch back to your main camera. You once again just hit the little arrow next to stop video and switch back to Zoom Classroom. And that's how you switch between the whiteboard, the marker board camera, and the camera in the room. Once you're in Zoom and you want to share something that's on your computer here, what you'll do is you'll do what you normally do in Zoom and select Share Screen. And then you can either select a screen, you can select a whiteboard, or you can select PowerPoint or whatever application. In this case, I'm going to share PowerPoint. So I select that, and then I select Share. And then I have to go into slide mode. I now happen to know that's F5. So this is my main title screen. There's nothing on there. The great thing about these touchscreen monitors, if you want to advance your slides, you can just swipe. So it went from the title slide to slide 2, and then on to slide 3. If you want to annotate while you're doing this, you select this little green area here, and then you select Annotate. And then right here, I'm just going to do some drawing, and I've selected this green color. So if I want to write something here, I can use my finger, or you can use one of the pens that have come here with the Dell monitor. And all of this is going to appear in your Zoom transmission and also on your Zoom recordings. Okay, to sum this up, you've got some great new additions to your classroom arsenal. And these can be used in a virtual or even just a face-to-face classroom. So this is in every classroom in Fisher starting in the fall. So you have a camera in the back of the room, a ceiling mic, the marker board camera, and a Dell touchscreen monitor. If you need additional help I'd ask that you reach out to the Fisher ITS Help Desk and arrange a time with anybody in EdTech or the Learning Environments team, and we'll be able to help you out.